Good morning, everyone. GameStop earnings just released, and of course, the stock is down, but they just released some really good earnings. We have GameStop's first quarter 2025 results. We've gone ahead and imported it right here. This is going to be all the way to the right. We have our quarter one 2025, posting 17 cents in earnings per share. That is up 254%, guys, year over year. The analyst estimate for the earnings per share for GameStop, 0.04. They just beat it by 13 cents, 254% year over year increase. And total revenue, of course, down to $732 million, down 16% year over year. Supposed to be around $754 million. They posted $732 million, so just shy of about $20 million on the revenue, but this is pretty much their plan. They're closing down a lot of stores, which is going to affect the top line, but GameStop's plan is to get the bottom line fixed and also to improve their cash flows. With that being said, cash flow from operations coming in at $192.5 million versus negative $109 million in quarter one of 2024. That is up 275% year over year. Huge improvements in cash flows. Remember, guys, previous quarter before that posted $162 million. That is up 1,572%. 4 consecutive quarters now of year over year cash flow from operation improvement. Last but not least, we go down to net income, $44.8 million versus negative $32.3 million. That is up 238%. Huge improvements for GameStop on the bottom line, of course. GameStop currently has 9 consecutive quarters of improvement in their net income, year-over-year growth. This is huge, guys. This is huge. Check out the improvements in their cash flow. We'll go all the way down to the statements real quick. So free cash flow. Check out these improvements. May 4th, 2024. Negative 114 versus positive 189. That is pretty much an improvement of over 200% year over year. So as you can see, guys, they are following with their strategy. If you listen to Ryan Cohen's interview, they are following with the strategy of closing down unprofitable stores, but it will affect their top line total revenue. As you can see, total revenue has been declining year over year, pretty much for 2 years straight, 7 quarters straight, but the bottom line, free cash flow from operations have all been improving. Lastly, some important numbers also that we want to keep track of. Cash, they have $6.4 billion in cash. So last year in 2020, so quarter one of 2024, they had $1 billion in cash. They have 6 times the amount of cash right now, just sitting there waiting to be deployed. And they purchased 4,710 Bitcoin between May 3rd and June 10th. So looks like they purchased Bitcoin. The lowest they would have purchased Bitcoin at was May 3rd was 94,000. So if we were incorporating that into the income statement and balance sheet, they would be already up 16% on that Bitcoin purchase, 500 million Bitcoin purchase. So looking good. Looking good for GameStop. It's dropping after hours, but who cares? Fundamentals are improving like crazy. Bitcoin purchase is up 15%. We currently have 2025 is going to be the year for the new console cycle. Annual meeting. We got the annual meeting coming up in 2 days. This company is one of the most undervalued companies out there right now. And for those people who think GameStop's a dying brand, you need to show your work because this company is not going anywhere anytime soon. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. GameStop to the moon. We'll see you on the next one.